Hey crafty friends, I have a little, and I mean a little, design team project for you for ASC Supplies on Etsy. This is just a little bonus DT project because I'm supposed to do 3 projects, a haul video. So for a total of 4, this is just going to be one of the many extra ones that I create because I just love creating with their goodies. This is a stamp I picked up last year from ASC Supplies on Etsy, and I will link everything in the description box down below if you want to go check them out. She carries a lot of Whimsey stamps, and this one is adorable. And many of you probably know I own a pet grooming salon, so I sell cards in my salon, and I did this one first. And I had colored up these images actually quite a while ago and just decided to put a couple cards together. Just plain and simple, because a lot of times the customers at the shop, they're not into the real elaborate cards. So I just did some layering. I got some paw prints and bones. This frame is actually from a collection I got from ASC Supplies, a Hunky Dory collection. And I just used it here. And I didn't put anything on the inside. That way the person can use it for whatever they want. But the nice thing is it can be mailed in an envelope. Most of my cards cannot. So that's card number 1. Let's tilt this up just a little bit. Here we go. All right, here's one that could go in an envelope, but would probably require extra postage. Obviously, that's rather dimensional. I just used some paper I had in my stash, some scraps, and I added these paw prints. They're from Saw Crafters. Saw Crafters is no longer in business. And this is also from that Hunky Dory collection, a little dog collection that I had back when I had my surgery. So I added the bow, and I use a Zutter bow it all for my bows. And again, nothing on the inside. And then the last one is probably my favorite one. I had this cute background paper in my stash, and I used sentiments again from that other dog collection from Hunky Dory. And I used this mint colored burlap, some wood grain paper, and the paw print paper. And I pulled off of this mint green paw print to use, and I just think this dog is absolutely adorable. Again, they can go in envelopes to be shipped out. Anyway, all the links to ASC Supplies will be in the description box down below. I highly recommend them. These are super adorable, cute, and fun to color up. So I hope you enjoyed them, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.